Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add curve and line tags for table creation in Civil 3D. To keep plans tidy, it is common to show labels that reference a table for curve and line. Civil 3D Parcel provide tools for creating dynamic line and curve tables, which we can keep lines and curve together to create separate table for each. So parcel segments must be labeled before they can be used to create a table. They can be labeled with any type of labels, but we will likely find it to be best practices to create a tag only style for segment that will be placed in the table. So in this exercise I will teach you how to replace curve and lines labels into tags only labels. As you can see here, we have curves labels for curves and line labels, but they are creating much rush on your plan. And what if you want to create a tag with single word, and then you can make this tag as a reference in a table to show bearing and distance and curve labels in a table type. So this is the purpose of this exercise. Open your drawing 511 tag labels and note that usually labels along tight curves such as cul-de-sac here would be better represented as a curve. Change again, same like before, to annotate, add labels, add parcels labels. From the add label dialog box, select here replace multiple segment as a label type, and line label style should be line tag only. Then curve label style, you can select curve tag only and press add. On the select parcel to be labeled by clicking on area labels, select parcel 5, property 5, and note that the line and curve labels around the parcel 5 has been replaced by tag only labels, which you can see C9, C10 like this. So we can repeat same method for more labels, which you will see for the property 107. You just note and you can see all labels has been replaced as a tag only. Just go through like this for all parcels and they will change from labels to tag only label. Just press escape to clear the selection, and now we have tags only for all parcels. Now each curve and line label has been replaced with the tags. It's desirable to have the tag number by sequentially actually. So in the next exercise we will learn how to renumber these tags. So once they will in a sequential form, then we can create our table in some other next exercises. Hope you like this video.